To get started with using Epidemic Sound and Ripple, begin by searching for Ripple in your web browser. This will take you to the Ripple website, where you can click on the login button and enter your email and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once logged in, you'll see various options, including the ability to create your own post. Click on this option, which will take you to a page where you can customize your post and add music. In the music section, you'll see options to add audio, including the ability to use music from Epidemic Sound. By clicking on this option, you'll be redirected to the Epidemic Sound website, which offers access to over 40,000 tracks, all of which are safe to use without worrying about copyright claims. To use Epidemic Sound, simply create an account or log in, and you'll be able to access their library of music. With these tools, you can create high-quality content for your business or personal projects, and stay safe from copyright claims.